There are some of them, I don't even know how they get their awards. Like, you were a BMO picture credit, they are receiving award. Meanwhile, no, they've scammed somebody. And I don't even know who organizes all these things. Sometimes, Ghana makes them in tears. Obi so ye motor connection ma. Washing nima, wamaniska, washing nima 1 full year. When Timianye, Nasa Nipana Sakacho say Canada pie. Inti safa sika foforo bra and now sako ton car and now kuku scan sakoma the same person.
And the day a lot of people decided to go for their money, we were almost like, let's say 100.
Wow.
Yeah. And then this man said he wanted to talk to everybody, so they organized, and then he was in front talking to everybody. So he, not being so lucky, he was having a gun and the gun fell down.
Ghana for opesa will send sika a free USA, Canada, Europe, UK. Mesel obetime yusu lemfi useniska efawa simakutwe binanipa na ensa aka so say useniska for the first time so obetime nya cashback 1% cashback modin say obe yusu me referral code no which is Voyage X useni $100 so obetime nya $20 cashback useni $100 Canadian so obetime nya $20 Canadian cashback useni €100 so obetime nya €15 cashback it eka say referral code no obebo Voyage X. O Play Store, na download the Limfi app no. Se u seniska amun charge fee bia. U seniske bia so a eya wo earn some point. Bane sana, o next transfer na obeye no kra no. Eya obetime nya discount. So send meka no eya bo modin say referral code no obebo Voyage X. Ina shasi say meet you.
20 after COVID. And I mean, nipa we sika 8,000 Ghana. Na that time dollar no down kaka. Man sika.
Na oka say nipa we ya nipa ben. Say bia miti minim nipa no.
Your friend Aminu. And our travel and tour. Your friend travel and tour no lenient travel and tour.
Okay.
Me man sika no. And intro semi-cover NSA in the family issues ninyama. So just last year and I'm here I didn't call us police station Nima police station because the office no Nima police station or side me didn't call and your friend no buy your detain no and offer also on him an MPB and I believe no your man say on sika no 8,000 Ghana cedi otia 6,000 yeah no na me here scanty because G no me name CID now or case no one in same waka kire the same abeji saska no enti remaining no on person obetua. After that I didn't give up. And me call travel into another one, CMG. Also, Oji, Osi, or movie called Malta. And the initial payment near 12,000 Ghana cedi. And the mutual 12,000. Semi-coba and I say, I did 1 full year, nothing is going on. And me catch and say, "Udie say we in culture yeah be before from mom. Also you Canada a pie inti say me kwa in temtem." So I was having a car. I was having a DV Vex, Toyota Vex, 2013 model. And I me cotton car no. Me catch and say me see car no bear 60,000 because a car no say me ton. Menya be 70,000 na me di if you 10,000 no ahye me ho akọ and I me cotton car no shishi 62,000 because me nya obi a beto car and I me this car we command me this car no se me koba ene stories stay ya wi me hu me visa me hu hwe o si ya wi ba me hu hwe so later me hu say nkurɔfo me call ne office me hu sɛ nkurɔfoɔ bi ne ɔmo bu efu ɔmo gye ɔmo sika ɛna me kaa sɛ ɔmo me nso me pɛ me sika me call yɛ no kasa saa sɛ na dɛn na me sɛ o me deɛ me pɛ me sika nti ɔmfa me sika ma me na me nkɔ nti ɔma me 1 week later me call yɛ no ɛna ɔde 60,000 no maa me aka 12,000 no sɛ me kɔ a na wama me story ɔde scanner ma obi na dɛn watwe obi nti like sisi akora me kasa na nka the office na me kɔ na makɔ tena baby a ma frɛ wa me de kasa me kɔ gye me 12,000 ɔmo gigi nkurɔfoɔ sika na ɔmo de ayɛ ɔmo ho nipa
ba onim baby yɛnhwɛ biribi kakra wo se ɔka sɛ ɔyɛ Malta ɛde ama wo ɛna Malta na ɔyɛ ama no na wonim obi wɔ Malta anaasɛ ɔkɔyɛ work and pay na ɛde ama wo
baby ɔsi ɔyɛ ni work permit so mekɔ akɔyɛ adwuma
right nti ode saa 12,000 ma no ɛdi mmerɛ dodoɔ ahe ɛna ɔka sɛ Canada deɛ no nso ɛyɛ connection aba
ɛdi roughly 1 year 1 full year
nti obi sɛ ɔyɛ Malta connection ma wo wahwɛ n'anim a wama ne sika wahwɛ n'anim a 1 full year wantimi anyɛ na saa nipa na saa ka kyerɛw sɛ Canada pae nti saa fa sika foforɔ bra ɛna wo saa kɔtɔn wo kaa ɛna wo kukuru sika ne saa kɔma the same person ɛnyɛ mpo sɛ different person the same person nti how does it sound to you
say like saa time no na Canada no say tim ɛna it will show you obehu sɛ nkurɔfoɔ aba hɔ na ɔmo nneɛma akɔ so yie so
da be ɛyɛ na wo hu sɛ sankrɔfoɔ na mo nneɛma akɔ so yie because sankrɔfoɔ na so na wokɔ yie a wakɔto sa mo so yɛ gidigidi wɔ hɔ no nti ɛdeɛ na ma wo hu sɛ sankrɔfoɔ na wokɔto amo na ɛma wokɔtɔn kaa no na ɛkɔ so yie de na ho yie bɛsɛ mo ma me some picture kakra
na oyi visas kyerɛw ni nneɛma ɔhu saa adeɛ no because he wants to convince you. I wasn't too clear about it. So I was not too sure about it though, but oyi visas no na obi approval aba no de akyerɛ no obi approval aba no obi visa aba or see obeta ticket amano no akɔ so I was a bit convinced with that Canada move.
Right. But you haven't also thought, say, most of the travel agents phoning bebrena no visas na mu yichira mu na a fake visas. Even appointment in bebrena it's fake.
Yeah, because I've not really gone through it very well. Now that I'm a victim,
right?
I've really known it very well. They have a big travel and tour that they deceive people with it. They can even organize an awards night and all that, showing they have won the travel and tour of the year and all that. They are well organized, and then they have a very good office. Yeah, and then what I'm talking about, the travel and tour I'm talking about now, they have a office at Airport Tower. Airport Tower.
Wow.
And then because they viewed people, Airport Tower decided to sack them. So they have gotten another office at East Legon. And then when you watch through their receipts, it's still Airport Tower on the receipt.
That means they haven't changed the location on the paper yet.
Yes, they haven't changed the location on the paper yet.
Right.
And then when you go there, you see like well organized, like receptionists and all that. They will talk to you. They have been taught how to talk to people and all that.
You see the thing is, I mean, if I tell you number of cases and stories abe PM anymore. Even to the point say New episode mede bremo next destination. We are discover some cheapest countries ubetimi ako empo so kita 1,000 Ghana cedis and that's $500 the otia kwentum na ebi opebede ni achre. Come discover some countries from Europe to North America, South America to into the Caribbean and Asia. You discover some amazing places empo they are all koswa unya visa. Se uye Ghanani na upese utu kwan na ebia usika enso enkura obetimi akọ empo unya visa empo dia obehia visa no yebehwe kwan obetimi afaso na unsa etimi aka visa na odi akokrom ho empo se wuti akwantum na ebia ompese obekọ Ghana holidays na so obebi edi weni achre me say kame ho ewo next destination new episode mede bremo. There are some of them I don't even know how they get their awards. Like you were a bimu picture credit they are receiving award. Meanwhile, no, they've scammed somebody, and I don't even know who organizes all these things. Sometimes Ghana makes them in tears here. I don't understand. A bimu crack over football clubs near they've scammed so many people, and I'm still yet to look for those people. But the thing is, look, the thing is. I mean, si kana ukoton ye kana ukoton ye di ye winano. Se sas kano ewo account mkrana. I think that you are in a better position to secure your own visa by yourself. You understand what I mean? The thing is, I mean, can say agent for way no because I know say you wanted somebody to help you secure your money. That's why you contacted me. Yeah. But the thing is, I can only do the least I can do, should I say, because maybe I'm not in Ghana there. I try to use my platform to help people secure their money. I've done some that people were able to get their money back. Some are yet to get their money back. Others agents also proved stubborn and they started to block me. You understand? So I can promise you, say, I'm going to collect your money for you because I'm not in Ghana there. And the thing is, I'm going to try and see if I can speak with, your travel agent. But again, I can only try. But what you have to understand is the scammers are out there. Now, most travel agents, any secretaries now most of the secretaries I'm case near worse because they don't know anything. Or no your page na yamana juma se ontina ho. Most of them they are not aware. The next day when they will come to work, they will realize that their office is closed. And they try to reach their boss. They can't get hold of their boss. And that's when the people will start coming for their money. And Sana secretary will say, hey, say go for juma. And I know many of them are, they holding the secretary responsible. So secretary so don't let those things deceive you. And I like when you said, say, ya pamu amokre free airport ho. And amako bibi fufro. Ain't I say who say, who de nyame adom wo hu say ya pamu amo. Nipa na
I didn't know until I started finding doing
out
research about. Yes.
Yeah, but
I didn't know.
You didn't know. I understand. But how will you know? Say before Kwame Airport or now will be before near Pamuamo. These people they don't stay one place. They don't stay one place. Sad decoration ni amana okuhu ye no. Yet we tutu fi baby no they aba new office. Say we fi airport on we tutu bia or they call new location. And also Jimmy and Obe to know their new location. So don't let the things there to deceive you. Don't let the things there to deceive you. You have to do your research. I'm not saying all of them. Not all of them. Not all of them, to be honest. Not all of them. Not all of them. So that's it. Good. Ain't try and forward me the agent number and me try with the mamia from today is Monday with the mamia kwesi Friday many update bia I'll let you know, but you said you're on your way going there, so that's good. Into the cohort and see what is going to tell you. yeah. Bibi BCBA no, would just leave me a voice note, mommy update. Na send be benene kasa me hu dia meka kire no. So that I say, into the baby.
I think they also work with the police, the CID, because I quite remember I went there. My brother, someone took my brother money for another agent took my brother's money for traveling, and then I was going there for my thing. You know, the agents, the CID we saw at the headquarters came to that office, sit down with him. They were laughing. They were not like something like they were fighting, but they were laughing and then talking nicely.
Wow.
So they work with them.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes, you know they do that all the time. Say anything that I'm with you usika amunso no. They know. Say onim dia ne nice so I say because no by at the end of the day no police station na den beko. Maybe I didn't console and on enough of phone go. So what I say? Yeah, that's what they do. One guy be, you know, he called he called me to share his story with me, and it said the same thing. Could you imagine? Say they were trying to look for the agent. Say agent need dwane ko baby, but it's na mo ya investigation na mo tracking who baby agent no was say na card de la bi ho no yokotena, and mo ye word and of boy scan ho na mo ko I'm quite naughty ho, and I'm so ni mu, and I'm say first kana ma mo a amunya da man nko. Inte ho na guy ne fa agent ne fa ne phone. Or fa phone no or no afre police ni police ni kasa. Or no na damfo or police. Wa friend ne kasa. Nti amu ho na police ni bia ba de motor ba say ne boss say on be fa agent ne mra. And I'm say no, I'm man nko. And I say on the boss na asma no. You know, man, you guys have to be careful. You guys just have to be careful.
Yeah. One funny thing too is the day a lot of people decided to go for their money, we were almost like, let's say 100.
Wow.
Yeah. And then this man said he wanted to talk to everybody. So they organized and then he was in front talking to everybody. So he not being so lucky, he was having a gun and the gun fell down. And then people were like, how can you talk to us and then you are holding a gun? He said, I have to protect myself.
What?
Who is going to kill you? If we do something to you, where are we going to take our money? But because of your bad mind you have,
what
you are doing, you have a gun on you, you have a pistol on you.
Wow.
That was the day I decided not to do this traveling thing again.
Wow. Ha.
Yeah, it's very bad. It was
no, I mean, it's scary, cry. I mean, what you said in cry. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then I've been there. He having an AK-47 and then the pistol as well.
So he's using that to scare you guys or what? I mean,
when people ask, the day I went there, I saw him buy AK-47 fresh in box, and then he went to register it. When people were asking, he said he handles a lot of money, so he has to protect himself and then all that.
Wow. Oh no, very sad, and just you know, this things is becoming too common in Ghana, and I don't know, say be a system nitin ama just obietimi bu obi no afane ho adi, you know. Now,
but it's not nice.
No, it's not nice.
If I tell you the money I've lost in this thing, if I tell you the money I've lost, a lot of money, because I made my mind, I'm going, so I have to do a little businesses down for my kid, and then I go. So I put my money in a lot of things, and then all went down.
Many guy be your interview last week. You know, he's in the same position like you. Emma agent no agent sika after train no sika ka ne hono na fe sika kakra ne afi endorse mpo because Emma okuhu agent na ne sika endorse pa nti no nim service and Sabeka say agent need ni si mu nti tama ono aye na adwe so be apply no na 5,000 Ghana cedi spend an account but oye say oye den or the back try many will say last and then 3 days yana of free France about Ghana or holidays. Was it Henry? Miami cause me ko apply. Na miniska bebre on my account but me yes me apply France embassy me koye the mame. So I see, and he said he was shocked because on 1 year you know one fast stress mumpo, but agent man no stress of fame no na easy. You know, and it just came a few days, you know, back to Ghana because of just holidays, you know, and to try to dig in more and try to do a bit more, you know, of your research. Say, if you have any doubt or something you don't understand, you have my number. You can always just leave me a voice note about maybe something you research you don't understand. I can give you more details and then watch. Will I recommend? You know, I can always give my recommendation and then you can add a bit of your knowledge to it and then you go apply because these people there, the embassy, they are there for you. You know, they're not there for those agents. The agent for they don't even know them. They don't even know them. You know, so let's do it that way. Why? Let's do it that way because I mean, you know, you seems responsible and hardworking person. And my women take advantage over you. You know.
Yeah, because now that I'm talking to you, by then I paid the 12,000, I paid the 8,000. By then, I was having like 1.5 billion in my account. I was having my own car, and then everything was okay. But now, as I'm talking to you now, I don't have
very sad.
My car is gone.
Wow, look.
Everything is gone.
Wow, look.
And the money is yet to recover.
Very sad. Very sad. But there is still hope. There is still hope. You know, there's still hope. As I said, they just do your research. And for now, let's try to get this money back for you, you know. They ask for another money test me. And then I'll get back to you on Friday and let you know the updates. Say no call also the BCBI just drop me a voice note. Let me know how it went. Why?
And the money he gave me 60,000. The 60,000 I gave him this year, he gave it to me.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, for the car one, no, he gave you back. Okay, so it's I got 12,000, yes, sir.
Yeah, I got 12,000.
Right, and that 12,000 or more be cry.
Or mommy story say, or now or the more be now nipana yama. So I told him, if you were giving that money to someone to do it, are you going to allow the person to take the money from me if the person does the job? You are going to take the money and give the person his share of the money. That's what you are going to do. So you can't tell me you give my money to someone, so you have to retrieve that money before you pay me. We don't do that. You don't do that at all.
I have a little doubt. Says 12,000 on Sabeka because what me 6,000 man on for 12,000 man. Then I say, but let's try. You never know. Why?
Oh, I'm going there today. So
yeah, you go. Whatever happens, yeah, let me know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Take care, bro.
Okay.
But that's so much your story.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care. Bye.